Hello guys, this is your host Akshada from DHC Home Clinics, and today we are here at Damji Shamji Presents The Cloud. Talk about the location. This is located at Hiranandani Meadows, and if you see, the Eastern Express Highway is just for 10 minutes of distance from this location. If I talk about the maybe entertainment or for your shopping, you have D-Mart nearby just in 5 minutes. If I talk about entertainment, you have your Inox, you have your shopping malls, Viviana, Forum. It is just hardly 10 to 15 minutes distance from here. And let me tell you one more very major factor of this. There is this tunnel which is getting connected from here, and just at 2 minutes of distance, you have that tunnel which is connecting you directly to the Borivali West city. So this is a very major factor. If you can see, you can reach there just in 25 minutes. What else do you need, guys? अगर पोखरन में नहीं लिया तो और क्या लिया, guys? Just come and have a look over this beautiful property, and let me just further explain you how many story tower this. So guys, if you see about the structure of the tower, this is the whole 50-story tower. And if I tell you about it, for the first 3 levels, it is your podium parking. Above that, for the 2 floors, it comes your amenities, guys. 2 floors is covered in your amenities. All the modern amenities are covered in here. You have your swimming pool, you have your kids play area, you have senior citizen area, and all the luxurious modern amenities, guys. If I talk about the habitable floors, it starts from 6th floor to 50th floor. From 6th to 50th comes your habitable floors. Help you explore the sample flat of Damji Shamji Group presents The Cloud. Today we are here at Hiranandani Meadows helping you to explore the sample flat. Just look at this 3 BHK. This is 1070 carpet area. Look at this the living space, guys. Here comes your center table, your sitting space. You have big size for your TV unit, and then comes your balcony. Just have a look how big and spacious the balcony is. And then let me just show you the dining area. Just front of that, you can customize your dining area. Come, let's see the kitchen area. It's given in L shape. Here comes your sink area, and then your kitchen platform, enough storage space, your fridge space, and then you have good space here. You can definitely put some frames and customize it as per your needs. You have your common washroom right here. Let's just see the bedroom number 1 now. Just look at how beautiful this bedroom is. This is your common bedroom with good wardrobe size space. And then let me just show you the balcony, guys. This is your common bedroom balcony. As you can see, this balcony is connecting to your bedroom number 2. This right here is a cross ventilation balcony. You're getting a balcony attached to both of your rooms. This is your master bedroom. Look at the bed size, comes your big wardrobe space, TV unit, enough moving area, and then you have your big washroom which is attached to your master bedroom. It's not ending here, guys. You have a big, huge, spacious bedroom number 3. This right here is your master bedroom, which comes with a very big size wardrobe space. You have your bed area right here. You can see how easily I am moving here. You have enough space, and then comes one more balcony. Just come and have a look, guys. This is your L-shaped balcony. As you can see, you have your sitting area right here. You can enjoy the view. You can enjoy your morning sunrise, evening sunset, and your evening tea as well. So, since it's a master bedroom, you have again a big size of washroom right here, an attached washroom. Damji Shamji presents The Cloud 3 BHK apartment. You can anytime visit our page, get more details about it. If you need to visit the sample flat, you can just come and see the sample flat as well. Thank you.